Hey, what's going on everybody? My name's Kyle. Welcome back to another episode of DIY Buildouts. Today I'm going to transform this whole junk mess that's sitting over here, just toys everywhere and an empty wall, into a nice organized garage shelving unit. I'm gonna do it using only lumber that I bought at Lowe's and Home Depot, and I'm gonna do it on the cheap. So without further ado, let's get started, baby. Alright guys, so we hit a little hiccup here. It was raining, and with the coronavirus going on right now, everybody was hurrying me through the Lowe's checkout process. So I ended up buying 2x4s that are 105 inches long, whereas the particle board is 97 inches long. Be careful. Check that next time you go and buy your 2x4s. They sell 105 inch and they sell 96 inch 2x4s. I've known this. Unfortunately, I was in such a rush pushing through the store with the rain and the coronavirus. I didn't look closely enough. And so here I am in a situation where I have extra material on the 2x4s and I have a gap. But fortunately, I was only putting 3 shelves in here because of the usable space. Nothing going up higher than that is practical. I'll never get it down. And I wanted these 2 shelves, plus I wanted storage underneath. So with the extra sheet I have over here, I'm gonna cut off the extra 7 inches or so that I need, and I'm just gonna bolt it on here, and the project should be fixed. But just wanted to throw that out there. Mistakes happen in woodworking, so you gotta be a little mobile, flexible, I guess. And let's fix this one. Okay guys, there you go. We have the finished project. A significant improvement over the cluttered, unorganized wall that was there before. Now I actually have some shelves with vertical storage. It's gonna make all the difference in the world for me. All right, I appreciate you guys watching, and before you go, if you could hit that subscribe button, also hit that thumbs up button on the video so this video gets promoted and other people can enjoy it as well. Thanks for watching guys, have a wonderful day.